그게 한 방이. Yeah, she loves it. Peace. Peace.
Oh, you're growing up so quickly. Google! Hey, Google! I'm so tired.
Chino's friend Ronak is coming here to see us from Tennessee, and I'm feeling very lazy today. What time is it, Chino?
8:05.
I've been laying here for like an hour, and Chino's watching TV.
Where'd you try the salad? So we are out for brunch right now, just me and Gino, because Ronak is meeting someone, and it's part of a mall, so we are just gonna go shopping outside because it's so nice today.
I like how you have my water bottle here.
Sponsor us, Dan.
You're gonna get the Power Greens juice. Well, I am. Juno's gonna have some. And then the hot honey fried chicken sandwich and light and fluffy lemon pancakes.
I like all the blueberries on the side. Or the raspberry.
You did it too.
Oh, it doesn't.
Try your sandwich. You want to dip it in this?
Are you happy now? Are you scared of this? Ella, your nugget's here. Are you okay? Ella, are you okay? Wow! I have a nugget here, but she really likes it. So then we got her another one in a different color.
I don't know if it needs to flatten out first.
Ella, do you love it?
Don't fall.
She's dancing.
Dancing because you're so happy?
Yeah, she loves it.
Ella! What'd you do? Oh no! What'd you do to your mom?
Okay, so now I'm gonna go meet with one of my college friends, and we're just gonna go enjoy some dinner. So I'm gonna leave Grace's right now, as Ella's over here.
Be careful.
Oh, Ella. Ella.
The vlogs. Oh. You want to be in it? Sure. Wow, it looks so.
Hey Google, play 7 by Tango.
Got it. Tango by Super 700. Here on Spotify.
Google! Hey Google! Hey Google!
So today, Juno and I were supposed to be taking care of Ella for the night, but her sleep training isn't going as planned. Since Grace's birthday is coming up, they were gonna go celebrate today, but everything in total just did not pan out. So we are just gonna be having dinner at our house. Juno's gonna be grilling some chicken and also making Big Mac tacos, and my parents are coming over. So gotta get started with that. Sorry, it's like really in your face. That looks so good.
We're gonna go out on a walk. Woo! Silly me forgot to record the final food stuff, so I'm just gonna have to do with what Grace luckily recorded. Ella, you riding with Grandma? Grandma. Oh. Hi, Joa. Are you looking up into the sky? He's so happy. Happy birthday to you. Blow it. No, that's melting. Ooh. Wow.
My tomatoes growing there. Oh my gosh. The rabbits came and ate all this. But I don't know how they're eating hot peppers and jalapenos right now. Take this on our picnic trip. Good morning. I'm being quiet because Chino's still sleeping. I woke up early to pack some food like kimbap and yubuchobap and some keramari, things like that, something kids will like, because it is Kelly's birthday coming up. We told her we would take her to the zoo and do a little picnic. Christine is coming with us, her cousin. Our hands are full already with Ella, but she's actually doing us a favor. Smiley face.
저 노을빛이 담은 하늘의 색감 이 모든 것을 내가 지면 사라질 거야 오늘의 하얀 마음 미치게 해본다 사랑에 빠졌어 오늘은 내 곁에
오케이. 할머니? 아, 왔어요? 알았어요. Give me a second, you guys, okay?
Why does it smell so good?
언니가 김밥 만들었어. And 유부초밥. 우리 은유는 유부초밥 줘야 돼.
Well, I caught a popcorn in my mouth, and then he gave me a pretzel to try to catch in my mouth.
Excuse me? Did you guys leave crumbs on the ground?
No, I picked it up.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, are you guys ready to go? Let's go! And the kiddos are sleeping in the back.
In 500 feet, turn right onto
The lion's out.
Very packed. And you look at the lion. Moving away back.
엘라야 재밌어?
There's a monkey coming forward. I'll make him in the blue version.
You guys ready to eat?
In the wild, they can swing.
Should be like that. Yeah? Are you telling Emo what to do?
Yeah, she is.
Yeah?
I'm sorry. Sweet, she's very nice. Next week.
Whoa, ready? Oh my gosh, Ella, you're. Oh, you're growing up so quickly. I thought you would have ordered the green goddess.
Sleepover with my sister. Oh, I covered her. Grace. Grace. Kevin's not home because he's in New York. So I am sleeping over so I can spend a lot of time with Grace and Ella. So good night. Ella? Hi, you're so happy. It's literally like 7 o'clock right now and we are out. We just did a walk at the park. Oh, so 무거워. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god.
무섭지요?
우리 세상이 so like clear today.
Yeah, right?
얘 왜 이래?
Thank you. 어디 갔지? 삼촌 어디 갔지?